Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change Eurowings Airlines flight. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course Google and type in eurowings.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen we have the Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip and Check-in. In the top right corner we have your profile, and in the bottom we have, as you can see, your flight and everything about it. Here you can go and book your flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Eurowings Airlines flight. So go to the website and go into the top corner of the screen and go and click on My Trip. Then after that, select the Manage Booking. So you have to go to the Manage Booking, and then you need to go and click on the Edit Booking. Now when it loads, here you need to put in the information about your flight so that you can find your flight. I don't have the flight at the moment, but when you do have one, it will be here when you put in the information. Then of course, go and change whatever you want on the flight. And then after that, review the changes and confirm your new booking. You may need to pay a fee of the difference in fare for the new flight. If you booked your flight with the Flex Lite or Flex Premium option, you can change your flight up to 40 minutes before departure without a fee. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, bye guys.